With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is the magnitude of acceleration of center of mass of system is. So we have to find the magnitude of acceleration. So this is mu, that is the coefficient of friction, and this is 5 kg and 5 kg here. So we know that the acceleration is acting in this direction and this is moving right this, and the acceleration is moving from this to this direction, and we have to find the magnitude of the acceleration of center of mass. So we have ABCD options are given here, so we have to find the correct option. So the solution of this question is, we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is force divided by mass, and this is net force, and this is divided by total mass, that is m1 plus m2. So net force is 5 gram, that is acceleration due to gravity 5g minus g, and mass 1 plus mass 2 is 5 plus 5. So we get acceleration is 4g divided by g, 4g divided by 10, and we can take the g is equals to 10 meter per second square. So this is 40 divided by 10. So 0 and 0 will cancel out. So we get acceleration 4 meter per second square. And we have the acceleration center of mass is here, and this is in this direction, and this is, so if this is our acceleration in this direction acting, and this, so this is the center of mass, that is a under root 2. So we can say that acceleration center of mass is equals to mass 1 multiplied by acceleration 1, mass 2 multiplied by acceleration 2, and this is divided by mass 1 plus mass 2. So we have the, this is under root 2, and this will equals to, this is our, we can write this as our acceleration center of mass. Acceleration of center of mass is a under root 2, and we have calculated a is equals to 4 meter per second square, and this is equals to a under root 2. So we can write here a is equals to 4 divided by under root 2. So this is the for center of mass. So this will equals to 4 multiplied by 4 divided by under root 2. So we can write this as under root 2, and if we multiply and divide by under root 2, so this will become 4 divided by 2 and under root 2. So this is 2 under root 2. So we have the magnitude of acceleration of center of mass is 2 under root 2 meter per second square, and this is the answer for the question. And now we check which option is correct here. Our options D is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.